Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars and wasting hours in a photo studio just to get a decent headshot? Imagine creating stunning, high-resolution, professional-looking portraits from the comfort of your own home, all with the power of artificial intelligence. Introducing PhotoGPT AI, an innovative and user-friendly tool available on AppSumo that transforms your everyday selfies into polished, studio-quality headshots in just a few minutes. Whether you're updating your LinkedIn profile, enhancing your resume, polishing your personal brand on Instagram, or even looking for a killer profile picture for a dating app, PhotoGPT makes it incredibly easy. All you need to do is upload 10 to 15 clear selfies from different angles, and the AI gets trained to recognize your unique facial features. Once trained, you can generate endless photo variations in multiple styles such as business professional, glamour, casual, cyberpunk, and more, or even write custom prompts to create creative new looks. It automatically resizes your images for social media, offers upscaling for HD downloads, and even allows generation of fictional or stylized AI models of other people. Currently, AppSumo is offering an exclusive lifetime deal starting at just $69, which includes 2,000 monthly credits, 1 trained AI model, and 25 preset styles. Higher tiers offer more credits, more models, and more customization options. Users are loving the platform for its ease of use, realistic output, and affordability. However, keep in mind that some advanced features like upscaling and model retraining depend on your tier. Overall, PhotoGPT AI is a game changer for freelancers, remote professionals, influencers, and anyone who wants to look their best online without the hassle and cost of traditional photography. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, grab the lifetime deal before it's gone, and start generating your dream headshots today.